Good evening to one and all. Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, all honorable members of UDUPI Bar Association, judicial officers, all learned senior and junior advocates, law students, all my beloved staff of UDUPI District Court and others gathered here. It is indeed a moment of great pride and joy to stand before you today as we celebrating the 125th anniversary of UDUPI Court and Bar Association. It is a significant milestone in the legal history of this region. It marks a century and a quarter of legal practice, advocacy and administration of justice in UDUPI. The UDUPI Courts and Bar Association have likely played a vital role in upholding law and order, providing legal services and promoting legal education in the region. It marks a journey of justice, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the principles of law. As we look back over the past 125 years, we are reminded of the rich history and heritage of UDUPI, a town that has long been known for its cultural, spiritual, and educational significance. And within this community, the UDUPI Courts and Bar Association have served as a vital institution in ensuring justice, equity, and the rule of law for all. The association was established about 125 years ago to bring together legal professionals in the region, including lawyers, judges, and other stakeholders in the judicial process. Over the years, it has helped to shape the legal landscape of UDUPI, assisting with the administration of justice in local courts and contributing to legal reforms. I feel proud to say that I worked in this UDUPI district for 2.5 years. The judges, advocates, and court staff who work tirelessly day and day out are true custodians of justice. They are the ones who ensure that courts remain a place where truth prevails, where fairness is not a mere ideal but a lived reality. Beyond their legal functions, UDUPI Courts and Bar Association have been integral to the community's sense of trust and the judicial system. For the common man, the court represents a place where hope is not lost, where justice is not privilege for a few, but a right for all. Over the years, the court has handled a diverse range of cases, civil, criminal, family, and more. Each case an opportunity for judiciary to manifest its core values of impartiality, diligence, and fairness. We must also acknowledge the growing role of technology in modernizing the judiciary. The integration of digital platforms, video conferencing, and online filing system in recent years has significantly enhanced the efficiency of our courts. However, despite these achievements, it is the human element, the dedication, expertise, and compassion of our legal professionals that truly defines the essence of UDUPI Courts and Bar Association. Over its 125 years of existence, the UDUPI Courts and Bar Association would have witnessed significant changes in both national and state level legal systems. From the colonial era, laws to past independence and post-independence reforms, and association likely played a key role in adopting and influencing those changes within its local context. As we celebrate this remarkable milestone, it is also important to look forward the future. We must continue to build on the legacy of UDUPI Courts and Bar Association, striving for further efficiency, transparency, and inclusivity in the judicial process. As citizens, we must remain vigilant in our commitment to the values of justice, equality, and fairness that underpin our legal system. It is also crucial that we work to ensure that courts remain accessible to all. particularly the marginalized and vulnerable members of the society. Legal aid awareness programs and measures to reduce case backlogs must continue to be a priority. The road ahead may present challenges, but I have no doubt that UDUPI courts and Bar Association will rise to meet them as they have done for the past 125 years. Today, the UDUPI courts and Bar Association continue to serve as a key institution for legal practice and advancement of rule of law in the region. Lawyers in UDUPI, along with judicial officers, are involved in various types of litigation and legal services, handling civil, criminal, and family matters, along others. Not only the members of UDUPI Bar Association are expert in conducting cases, they are also expert in other curricular activities. They are playing yakshagana, music, singing, and other activities. As we commemorate this significant anniversary, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the judges, lawyers, and all staff members of UDUPI courts and Bar Association. Your commitment to justice and service to the community is truly commendable. I would like to express my appreciation to the citizens of UDUPI for their unwavering faith in the judicial system. It is your trust that strengthens the very foundation upon which the courts stand. In conclusion, the 125th anniversary of UDUPI courts is not just a celebration of the past, but a reminder of our collective responsibility to uphold justice in present and future. Together, let us continue to support and strengthen this noble institution, ensuring that it remains a beacon of hope and justice for generations to come. I express my gratitude for all office bearers of this reputed UDUPI Bar Association. More specifically, its President Ronald Praveen Kumar for having invited me as a chief guest of this function. I also express my gratitude to all judicial officers, my brother judges, staff, law students for having present here and invited me and given me opportunity to express my views. Thank you one and all.